New Mexico Real Estate Principles Workbook, page 8. 12 NMSA 1978 and applicable rules and regulations of the Commission. These payments shall be held in such manner until 1. Delivered to the developer at closing. 2. Delivered to the developer because of the purchaser's default under a contract of sale. Or 3. Refunded to purchase. The Commission may waive the requirements of subsection C of this section for a timeshare project if 1. The timeshare developer submits to the Commission information sufficient to allow the Commission to determine the total cost of completing the timeshare project, and 2. The timeshare developer delivers to the Commission a performance bond with a surety acceptable to the Commission in amount sufficient to complete the timeshare project. If the developer does not complete the project, the Commission may use funds received from the bond to complete the project. 47-11-6 Prizes. An advertisement or promotion of a timeshare which includes the offer of a prize or other inducement shall fully comply with the provisions of the Unfair Practices Act. 47-11-7 Timeshare proxy. No proxy, power of attorney, or similar device given by the purchaser of a timeshare regarding the management of the timeshare program or its facility shall exceed 1 year in duration, but the same may be renewed from year to year. 47-11-8 Exchange programs. A. If a purchaser is offered the opportunity to subscribe to an exchange program, the developer shall expect, as provided in subsection C of this section, delivered to the purchaser prior to the execution of the sales contract or any contract between the purchaser and the exchange company, at least the following information regarding such exchange program. 1. The name and address of the exchange company. 2. The names of all officers, directors, and shareholders owning 5% or more of the outstanding stock of the exchange company. 3. Whether the exchange company or any of its officers or directors has any legal or beneficial interest in any developer or managing agent for any timeshare project participating in the exchange program, and if so, the name and location of the timeshare project and the nature of the interest. Page 9. 4. Unless the exchange company is also the developer, a statement that the purchaser's contract with the exchange company is a contract separate and distinct from the sales contract. 5. Whether the purchaser's participation in the exchange program is dependent upon the continued affiliation of the timeshare project with the exchange program. 6. Whether the purchaser's membership or participation or both in the exchange program is voluntary or mandatory. 7. A complete and accurate description of the terms and conditions of the purchaser's contractual relationship with the exchange company and the procedure by which changes thereto may be made. 8. A complete and accurate description of the procedure to qualify for and effectuate exchanges. 9. A complete and accurate description expressed in boldface type of all imitations, restrictions, or priorities employed in the operation of the exchange program, including but not limited to limitations on exchanges based on seasonality, unit size, or levels of occupancy, and in the event of that such limitations, restrictions, or priorities are not uniformly applied by the exchange program, a clear description of the manner in which they are applied. 10. Whether exchanges are arranged on a space available basis and whether any guarantees of fulfillment of specific requests for exchanges are made by the exchange program. (11) Whether and under what circumstances an owner, in dealing with the exchange company, may lose the use and occupancy of his timeshare in any properly applied for exchange without substitute accommodations being provided or arranged for by the exchange company. 12. The expenses, fees, or range of fees for participation by owners in the exchange program, whether any such fees may be altered by the exchange company, and the circumstances under which alterations may be made. 13. The name and address of the site of each timeshare project or other property which is participating in the exchange program. 14. The number of units in each property or other property participating in the exchange program which are available for occupancy and qualify for participation in the exchange program, expressed within the following numerical groupings: 1 through 5, 6 through 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 50, and 51 and over. 15. The number of owners with respect to each timeshare project or other property which are eligible to participate in the exchange program, expressed within the following numerical groupings: 1 through 100, 101 through 249, 250 through 499, 500 through 999, and 1,000 and over, and the criteria used to determine those owners who are currently eligible to participate in the exchange program.